to the point that even if it's raining, you're working out?
You just need to 100% my focus, my attention to details, and
I am the youngest. Okay, this is legit.
Now we can pass it to Pel if you want to.
How does it get a strong principle that we of your chocolate product will doing the make of like it must be consistent, it needs to be that's why it's specific the way they honestly the way they make it.
Yes!
Ready? Start!
Zero.
We fell, but still we continue to be firm. Like I reach the sky with the sunflower.
Go, go, go.
Sunflower!
Go, go, go.
Sunflower! Move, beway, brave and tender on the way. Move, beway, brave and tender on the way. Oh yes, we are the brave pretenders. Pretending apart to be well. Leave this rush, and so much, we're lonely, no one can tell. We are strong, we are fighters, we are brave pretenders. Yes! Okay! Fast! 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 Fantastic! Awesome! Amazing! Strong! Who are we? Fast! Who are we? Fast! Fantastic! Awesome! Amazing! Strong! Together we are fast! 1, 2, 3, 4. Victory, success, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, cheers and foes, cheers and foes. Celebrate our cheers and round it goes. Victory, success, knees and toes, knees and toes. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. Victory!
For me, okay? Teacher Mildred, thank you also for all the support and staying on my side, especially for the food and Teacher Mildred. The exact moment when I watched you work with Jaden, it was a true moment of genuine help you were trying to give him. Thank you.
We had shared good and bad moments, yet we never had been in that sense. You taught me so much in life and at work. Love you always. Thank you. need someone, and whenever I need someone to be my guidance and always be there for me. Hope I can learn some more from you. Thank you, Teacher Joanne. I love you.
You following the Philippines.
You are a blessing for all of us. May God continue to guide and protect and bless you.
Coming from different backgrounds, work as one to achieve teamwork. Like on time.
Yes. Okay, that's one. Very unlike.
My vision is a person's interest in caring for the needs of others.
What time is it now? Where's Teacher Joanne? It's late. It's already there. Come on, let's go. Where have you been? It's late. It doesn't matter. Come on. Where's Ida? Where is she? It's late. I'm really sorry. What happened to you? Well, there's something happening. I can't remember. Okay.
Action.
Where's the presentation? Oh no, I forgot. I forgot it's today. It's your turn today. Oh no, it's okay. I have got the slides. Really? Yes, so thoughtful. Great, thank you.
Properly. One, two, one, two, three.
Who actually stood as my husband? My husband daughter when I was unwell recently.